It's Jeep. This is my other auntie's Hoover 9kg 400 spin. This is my other auntie's 9kg 400 spin Hoover. I know this is the Hoover 9kg 400 spin anyway, and it's the AAA class anyway. But and the model is DYN9144D3X washing machine anyway. Yeah. So anyway, we're just washing loads blanket anyway. We're just washing load of blanket today anyway. Just doing a load of blanket today anyway on the We're just going to do it on rapid 40. We're just going to do it on rapid 30-minute cycle anyway. Yep. Obviously, because I think we was going to do it on a rapid 30-minute cycle anyway. Yep. So we're just going to test out this machine anyway. Yep. And detergent I'll be using. We are going to use Bold 2-1. Obviously, I'm using the Bold 2-1 lotion flow and water lead I'm using anyway. Yep. And also we're going to be using some Comfort Intense Fresh Sky Fabric Softener. We're going to be using as well some Comfort Intense Fresh Sky Fabric Softener we're using anyway. Yep. Actually, yep. Just tip it in the powder, I think. We're just tipping the powder, I think, anyway. And then we'll have some Comfort Fresh Skies to it as well, obviously, anyway. But yeah, just because I'm at auntie's today, anyway. But the Hoover, anyway, I think this is the Hoover Vision Dynamic one we're testing anyway. Just testing this Hoover anyway. But yeah, we're just going to testing out the Hoover anyway. Just testing out this Hoover. Anyway, but just because we're just testing out the Hoover anyway. Yep. But it's going by the quick cycle, obviously. This is going on a quick cycle anyway. Yep. Obviously, because it's got the faulted display. It's got anyway. Yep. Oh, yeah, I think because this has got a faulty display, it's just only got anyway. Yep. So yeah, we're just going to just around 30 minutes, and then the temperature. I don't know what the temperature will just be at 40. I think the temperature will just going to be at 40 anyway. Yep. And max beam will just be at 1000 anyway. Max beam will just be at 1000 anyway. Yeah, unfortunately, because this machine has got a faulty display. It's got anyway. Yep. We did say 30 minutes anyway, and the temperature will just be at 40 anyway. Yep. So let's start anyway. We've also got loads of colours in there as well. In the Monty's Hoover driver version HD 8kg VH3AC anyway. Yep. Which that's going to go on bone dry anyway. Yep. So yep, we're going to start. I think there's also a few bedding loads in there as well. We've also got some bedding loads in there as well. Some bedding loads in there anyway. That's got some blanket and some bedding loads in there anyway. Well, it's basically got bedding loads in there and the blanket that's in there as well. This machine has basically got a candy motor to it, and that's got a candy motor. This machine has. That's basically got a candy motor. This machine's basically got a candy motor. That's got a candy motor inside of it. It's got a candy motor. That's just got anyway. That's got a candy motor to it. Anyway, the candy motor. good gist. So maybe wash 40.